Hello everyone, this is Max from Divi websites, and today I want to show you which steps you should do before creating Divi website. If this video will be helpful for you, don't forget to leave your donations with donation link in the description under this video. Thank you. Okay, so you installed the Divi theme and you want to create website. Nice. So what you should do before development. Okay, so let's imagine you just installed it, like here. Okay, so first you should go to the Divi and click theme options. And now you should upload logo here. Okay, just if you don't ready, don't upload it. And check all these settings. So first you should do your color palette here. So select the colors you need, like green, blue, red. If you don't need others, just make like this, so they don't distract you. Your website should have consistent colors through the whole website, so create your palette and use this palette right here, Color Picker's default palette. And after that, just here do nothing. Here, if you need, just add API key. If you want an AQM map scripts, if you will not use it, disable it. If you will use Google Fonts, enable. If you will not, disable it. If you this 3 for just disable, you will probably add it manually. And actually, if you need this, you can keep enable. It's for default header, for default footer. If you will do custom footer, please disable them. Okay, please set up these settings, but I usually leave them default. Okay, back to top tab at button. If you need enable disable, it will be here back to top button. I usually disable. Here we leave everything as it is, and after that click save. Let's check other tabs if there are no. Right, I just left. Okay, so go to Builder, Advanced, go to Layout. Let me check. Okay, nothing to do here, just click Save. So you need to define the color palette and disable the features you don't need. They will make your website more slow. Right. Okay, nice. So you did first step. Now you should go to the appearance and customize. Again, I do these settings for every website I built. I built website over 8 years, and these steps are really important to do with Divi theme. Now you should check each this setting. Before you create everything, you really should do it. So just let's check it. General settings, we write here website title, tagline, and site icon, which is favicon here. Layout settings, here please define the container size. I usually do like this, which defined, you can see on the header, it's like just default container. Define it please, it should be same for whole website, not different per section. Now a website getter width, which makes the space between the columns. I usually leave it as 3, it's good. Section height 4, good. Row height 2, good. Theme accent color, please define your theme accent color right here. Let's make it this purple. Go back, typography. Right here you should define the font size for all your fonts. So basically font size I use 15 pixels, body line height it can be like 1 and 2 pixels, and header text, it means for H1 header, the smaller headers will be smaller sizes. So just define the bigger one, 45 pixels for example, and header line height, let's make it 1, 2. Now define the font sizes, font families, and define colors like black, and link color. Let's make it like this, purple. Background, just nothing to do here. Okay, go to next, header and navigation. Nothing to do here. Primary. Okay, here you can define the menu height, logo max height, but it's more for development. More we interested about the font size for menu, font style for menu. Let's make it uppercase, and font. Let's make it Georgia. By the way, you see I disabled the Google fonts and we have only default ones. Okay, so text color, define it like black. Active link color, define it as purple. Background color, good. Drop down menu light, again purple. And drop down text color, make it black. I make it black, you make it which you want. Okay, so you define the menu styles. Secondary menu bar, I don't use it, but define it in the same way. Fixed navigation settings. Please copy settings from the primary menu bar to this, so they will be the same. Like font size, menu height, etc. Okay, header elements, don't forget to check them too, like for example disable your search menu, so search icon. Okay, now go to footer and do same with footer, select layout and everything you need. So basically you should go through each of these settings and define it. Now we defined colors, we defined sizes, we defined spaces, we defined container width, and now we can begin our development. So let's go our visual builder and build something which we want. So let's build from scratch like this. Let's add some title, some tabs. Let's add some title, sorry, text. Okay. So title 1, title 2, title 3. You see they all making smaller, and which is really nice. And here we can get paragraph, text, and let's add title 4. Title 4. Okay. So you see the sizes are getting smaller and smaller, spacing here, which we defined right here. Let's reload our page and I will show you more clear how it affects you. So all these items like spaces, sizes, font sizes, styles should be same for all elements on your website. So if you use title 1 as 40 pixels, each title 1 on your website should be 40 pixels. Okay, so let's go to our typography, and if we define it like this, you see everything is changing. So please define it before. Don't do the different sizes inside each text like this, so like here. Design, hidden text, don't do it here, do it here. Globally for everything. And same with column spaces. Where is layout, column width, you can adjust it, make bigger, smaller, section height. Okay, you can add default spaces, row height. Okay, so I think this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to leave your donations. If no, don't leave. And have a nice day, and bye bye.